Welcome to the Easy Tech News channel, and today we are learning that it's something that we knew was coming, but now it's getting a little bigger. Sometimes you wonder why things happen or why they do it, but Bing is the major search engine that Microsoft, or portal basically, that Microsoft is using and pushing to everybody. And in Windows 10, it's there in many spots, including in the search on the bottom left of your taskbar. And when you write something, actually, it brings up a Bing search. So Microsoft is rebranding the Bing search for Microsoft Bing. Just like it rebrands a lot of stuff. So Office 365 is now Microsoft 365. And everything seems to want to be Microsoft something. So it's a new way of, I don't know if it's because they want to make sure everybody understands that it's Microsoft that's behind whatever item. But it is interesting when you look at that and thinking, well, it's kind of just a name change. It doesn't change anything itself into the programs or the apps or the web search, or it's really just a name change. But it's interesting how Microsoft is pushing the Microsoft brand everywhere, as if they just want to have more visibility and have people understand a little more that, well, actually, what you are doing here is Microsoft branded things. It's by Microsoft, and we want you to know that. But it is kind of interesting to see that push, and to see that they really want everybody to know, I guess, that Microsoft is branding behind all of this. But then overall, it doesn't change anything. Everything stays pretty much the same. So there's really no big change in itself except just the brand name. A lot of people wonder if, it will change something. For now, it doesn't change anything. It's really just a name. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.